Hello dear students, hope you all are feeling fine. Dear students, today we are going to discuss next half of chapter number 2, regular and irregular verbs. And students, I hope that all of you have completed worksheet 1 to 10. Now students, let's move on to the worksheet number 11. Given below is a newspaper report about Cinderella's wedding with the prince, but it has not been edited. Read the news and correct the errors. So students, first of all, read the news carefully. Then students, find out the incorrect words. Okay, then correct the errors. The first one has been done for you. So students, let's read it first of all. The London Times, 11th August, Sunday. A royal couple wed amidst celebrations. Here students, let's read this news. London, 9th August. The prince and Cinderella get married in the royal church with the bless of the king. Princess Cinderella wore a pink dress and holded a bouquet of red roses in her hand. Her jewels shined like stars. The prince too looked stunning. They take the wedding vows and put rings on each other's fingers. The priest blesses the royal couple, and after the wedding, the king throws a lavish party. Now here students, you have to find out the incorrect verbs. Okay, find out incorrect verbs and then students try to correct it. Here students, let's see first one. The prince and Cinderella get married. Get it. It's wrong here. Get it is wrong. It's error. So what's the correct word students? Got. We should write on here. Got. Okay. Then in the royal church with the bless of the king. Here it should be blessing of the king. So you can underline this word and then write down blessing. Princess Cinderella weird. Weird is wrong here. Second form is wore. W-O-R-E. So students, we will write on here. Wore a pink dress and hold it a bouquet. Hold it is again incorrect here. So students, write down held. Okay, write down held a bouquet of red roses in her hand. Her jewels shined. S-H-I-N-N-E-D. It's wrong here. Correct is shone. S-H-O-N-E. shone. The prince too looked. L-O-O-K-T. Looked. It's wrong spelling. Correct is L-O-O-K-E-D. Looked. So we can write on here. Looked stunning. They taked. Taked is wrong here. So what should be there students? Take, took. We can write on here. Took. Second form we can write down. Took. Then the wedding was and put it. It's wrong here. So students, we should write down here. Put. P-U-T. Okay. Put rings on each other's fingers. The priest blesses. Blesses again wrong here. It should be blessed. B-L-E-S-S-E-D. Okay. The priest blessed the royal couple, and after the wedding, the king throwed. T-H-R-O-W-E-D. It's wrong here. Here we should write down threw. Okay. The king threw a lavish party. Like this students, we can correct this type of sentences. So students, let's revise it again. Get it, incorrect, write on quote. Then bless is incorrect, write on blessing. Then weird is wrong, write on wore. Then hold it is incorrect, write on held there. Then shine is incorrect, write on shone. Looked is wrong, write on looked. Then taked is wrong, write on took. Then put is again wrong, it should be put. Then blesses is wrong here. According to these students, we should write on here blessed. And at last students, throat is wrong. Okay, throat word is wrong here. We can write on here through. Okay students, in this column students, the column of errors and correct word. Here you can write down the correct word as well as the errors and complete worksheet number 11. Now students, let's move on to the worksheet number 12. The pictures given below show what Nikki did yesterday. taking clues from the box given below and complete the sentences. The first one has been done for you. Yes, students, first of all, better look at the pictures carefully. Then students, try to find out what Nikki did yesterday. Okay, some clues are given to you in this box. You can take help from these. Okay, and then students, frame different sentences. So students, let's start with the first one. Nikki woke up at 7:15 a.m. Next students, according to picture, we can see here that Nikki had her breakfast at 7:30 a.m. Then students, we can write down third one here. According to picture here, students, it's 8 o'clock timings, 8 o'clock. So we can write on here, she went to school at 8 a.m. or we can write down Nikki went to school at 8 a.m. Okay, like this students, we can write down. Next one students, fourth, it's 1 o'clock. Okay, it's 1 o'clock. So here students, we can write down Nikki had her lunch at 1 p.m. Okay, like this students, we can frame different sentences. Now students, time is 4:30. Okay, so we can write down Nikki came back home at 4:30 p.m. Then students, we can write down Nikki had dinner at 8 p.m. And after it, students, Nikki went to bed at 9 p.m. Okay, she went to bed at 9 p.m. Like this students, take help from the clues given to you in the box and then students write down what Nikki did yesterday. Okay, so students, first of all, look at the pictures carefully and then students try to frame sentences. Okay, now students, in this way students, you can complete this worksheet. Now students, let's move on to the worksheet number 13. Read the following example. Cinderella's stepsisters wore new dresses at the party. Wore, past form, second form is given. The next sentence, Cinderella did not wear a new dress at the party. Did not wear. It's negative. So here students, given below are some things that Cinderella stepsisters did. बेटे ऐसी एक्टिविटी जो सिंड्रेला की स्टेप सिस्टर्स ने तो की थी, whereas she did not do, but उसने नहीं की थी. Now students, taking hints from the above example, बेटा according to above example, write down following statements. Okay, complete the following statements. The first one has been done for you. Yes students, let's see first one. Cinderella's stepsisters went to the king's party. Went, second form is given. So here, how can we frame in negative? Cinderella did not go. Okay, Cinderella did not go to the king's party. Went is given. How can we change? Did not go. Okay, did not go. Went, past tense. Then to frame negative, write down did not go. Next students, Cinderella's stepsisters ate delicious food. So ate is second form, past form. We can write down here, Cinderella did not eat delicious food. Cinderella's stepsisters went to sleep late in the night. How can we change? Cinderella did not go. Okay, did not go to sleep late in the night. Next one students, Cinderella's stepsisters woke up late in the morning. You can write down Cinderella did not wake up late in the morning. Like this students, we can change these type of sentences. Students, did you notice that all these sentences that you have written are negative sentences using did not, like Cinderella did not buy a new dress. So students, remember this point and then students take hints from the example given to you. Okay, take hint from this example given to you and then students try to complete all the statements. Now students, I hope that all of you have understood this part well. Now students, complete worksheet 10 to 13 in your practice book. That's all for today students. Thanks and have a nice day.